Hey guys, we received these P2P nails, colorful nail file strips. It's a double-sided filers for shaping and smoothing your nails or the fingernails. So it can be used for your manicure, pedicure, or the buffering of these nails. So let me just open up this. So there are a set of 12 really nice, colorful nail filers, and it's from the both sides, as you can see. So all the different colors and the vibrant stuff. So it's around like 100 grit and then 180 grit for other medium coarseness. And also you can use like for your daily purpose, and the filing is really nice and easy from the sides, from the top, and it's a two-sided. So really a nice thing. You can use any like shape to give or file in a way you want. Also a nice portable sturdy material that can be easily used to file your nails.